Dan trying to catch a fish in the backyard. Come on, Dan. Oh no, get him! Get him, he's gonna die. You're gonna kill it before we get it to the river. Oh my god, it's huge. Yay, hurry! Oh shit. Holy crap, that's huge. Jump, Dan. The easiest fish you ever caught in, huh, Dan?
I don't know where the other one is.
Need some water in there. Put some water in there. There he is. He's right by the corner. Right there. Right by the bucket. There he is. Oh, goodness. Shit! Bastard. I'm all wet now. Fudge. Where is he?
He's right there.
How about some water for the other one? He's flailing around. Aw, more. Do you think we'll make it to the river so they don't die, babe? That's huge. Did you get him? Holy shit! Oh god.
Right.
We need more water now. Oh crap! Get your butt in there. They don't like. I think we need a bucket for the other one. Yeah, we need a different one. They don't get along. Shit.
They don't even talk about each other.
Well, they need water. He
don't
needs
like
more
being in
water.
It's fine.
Get him some more water.
Homophobe.
I'm all wet. Stop it. I will kick your ass.
Will you go get the lid?
Why? Wouldn't he die if you leave him? Jeez. Humongous. Man, I didn't know fishing was this much fun. Oh, no. Lid. They're trying to get out.
Oh, this thing's heavy.
Wait, I can help you, but then he'll jump at me. Should we get the lid or no?
Yeah.
Those are big. Run, Dan, run.